Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has done on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please store your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat belt and folding tries. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instruction card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the function described in the event of emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reset you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any question about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Izan and I'm your chief flight attendant on behalf of Captain Levi and the entire crew. Welcome to Philippines Airlines, non-stop service from Manila to Kuala Lumpur. Our flight time will be of 4 hours and 20 minutes. We will be flying at an altitude of 1,100 kilometers per hour. At this time, make sure your seat back and flight tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic device must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you. When the seat belt sign illuminated, you must fasten your seat belt. Insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seat belt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seat belt fastened throughout the flight, as we may experience turbulence. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Sleeve it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces as the whistle and like to attract attention. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into the strap and hug the cushion to your chest. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you. Place it firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally, although the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing to the mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first, and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Forward, left, and right over each wing. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which may also be detached and used as a life raft. Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff please. Cabin crew, please take your seat for takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seat belt and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you are asleep. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as breakfast, dinner, supper, light meals, and snack. Alcoholic drinks are also available at a nominal charge with our compliments. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you. Flight attendants, cabin crew, please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt seat. We are now crossing a zone of turbulence. Please return your seat and keep your seatbelt fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat belt and tray tables are in their full upright position. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is down underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead space. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are splashing bed with the condition. Please return to your seat and fasten your seat belt. The access of toilet at this time is not recommended. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Local time is 12 o'clock in afternoon and the temperature is 21 Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seat belt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt seat. This will indicate that we have parked at the gate and that it is safe for you to move about. Depending on the airline's policy, local laws, at this time you may use your cellular phone if you wish. Cellular phone may only be used once the fasten seatbelt seat has been turned off. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as heavy articles may have shifted around during the flight.